Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable internet in Kaggle Notebook. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Kaggle website. This is the main platform where you can create and run notebooks for data science and machine learning projects. Before internet access can be enabled in a Kaggle Notebook, your account may need to be verified, so this quick setup is an important first step. Once the Kaggle homepage is loaded, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account icon. This will open the account menu where you can access the settings and other account-related options. If you are not already signed in, make sure you log into your Kaggle account first so the profile menu appears correctly. From the menu, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where Kaggle provides options for managing your profile, preferences, and account status. The settings area is also where you can check whether your account has the required verification needed for certain features, including internet access in notebooks. On the settings page, find and click Verify My Account. This option is typically shown when your account has not yet completed verification. Kaggle uses this process to help maintain platform security and ensure responsible use of resources. If you do not see this option, it may mean your account is already verified, in which case you can simply confirm your account status and continue from there. After clicking the verification option, follow the on-screen procedure exactly as shown. The steps may vary slightly depending on your location or Kaggle's current verification flow, but the platform will guide you through everything you need to do. Take your time here and make sure each detail is entered correctly to avoid delays or errors in the verification process. Once you complete the on-screen verification, your account should be set up to support features that require verified access, including enabling internet in your Kaggle Notebook environment. If the change does not appear right away, give it a little time, and then refresh the page or sign out and back in again. That's all there is to it. By going to Kaggle, opening your profile menu, visiting settings, selecting Verify My Account, and completing the on-screen process, you can prepare your account for internet-enabled notebook use. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helps you get your Kaggle Notebook ready quickly and smoothly.